Okay, before anybody asks or says that I know what I'm doing, this on my page, we do trial and error. I ran across this up in northern Ohio, gypsum, and it's just perfect for gardens and lawns. Restores the soil where pet damage and road salt occurred, adds calcium, sulfur minerals to the soil, allows water to penetrate the soil faster, loosens compact soil. And I also did some weed and feed. I'll be working on the pre-emergent and all that stuff, pre and post emergence, that's next. But look at the jungle. So it's done something. Boy, she's growing like wildfire, and I love it. We're about to cut. We're about to mow.